welcome back to this session. In this session, we are going to focus on the how to create a Docker container using a Terraform and the Windows-based system. So right now, I'm going to create the Nginx container, that is the HTTP server. So I'll set the link of my Medium blog where you can get the all instruction how to create the this container here. So that instruction is mentioned here. So I'll mention that one. Okay, before that, let's confirm that our Docker engine is running or not. So still this is the Windows based, so my engine is running. You can see this is the green icon is here, and you can see the engine is running. So I'm making the minimize here. Let's go to the code base. So for code base, let me just clear this one. Okay, so code base, you can see that's very pretty much easy, and this is a very simple code. So here we are taking the Docker image, Nginx image. So which image name we are referring here, that's a GitHub, sorry, that's a standard Docker contain Docker image it will take. That's a Nginx latest image it will take, and here we are creating the Docker container. So Docker image will refer here in the container, and the container will take the latest image from the Docker image. Okay, now the name of the container given and how we are mapping the container port from the external and internal. So this is the very pretty much straightforward code, and I'm just going to run this command as a Terraform apply. Okay, giving confirmation yes. Okay, so this will create an Nginx image here, and we can see the same in our Docker engine also. So here it will also create the Nginx image. Okay, let's wait. So it's creating here. So still it's creating. So once it's done, we can see same on the Docker engine also. Still this is not yet created here. Otherwise you can see here the running container here. So it's still creating. It's depend on your server. So this is my local laptop, so taking some bit more time. So it's saying this created. Okay, so now it's created here. Now we can see the container is running. The container name is the Nginx container, and this is the image is refer, and here you can see the on port 8080 it's running. Similar way you can see same here in the command page also. I'm just doing the Docker ps. So this should also show the running the container here. So right now it's running container on the port 8080. Let's go to the browser and let's open the localhost on port 8080. Okay, so I'm able to access my Nginx server from the container, and this is basically coming from my container inside from the Nginx server. So Nginx is not installed by the host OS, but it's directly accessing from the Docker container. So this all about how we can use the Terraform to launch a Docker. This is pretty much very straightforward, where we are not required anything specific. So locally you can use the container, and if you want to make the more operational, you can do the same through the same code base. Okay, this is the session about the same. So let's meet in the next session. Thank you. Have a great day.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.